Today is National Teach Your Child to Save Day, and this is a great reminder to help your child master the skill of saving and investing their money. And so this is how it works. Saving money is probably one of the most difficult money habits for our kids to master because it requires patience. It requires self-discipline and it requires self-control. So it's definitely a skill that we want to introduce them to early on and visit frequently so that they can build that savings muscle. And so this is how it works. Anytime our kids earn money, anytime our kids are gifted money for celebrations, for gifts, for graduations, you want to make sure you guide them and instruct them to save a portion of their money. It could be 10%, it could be 5%, it could be $5, it could be $2, whatever it is you want them to start with. And you want to teach them the concept of paying themselves first. So instead of giving their money to Shein, or instead of giving their money to Chick-fil-A or Amazon or Pretty Little Things or Fenty, whatever it is that they're interested in, you want to encourage them to pay themselves first. And then that you want to make sure that they're putting it away in an envelope, a piggy bank. But more importantly, if they're over 12, if they're 12 and up, I highly encourage you to open up a savings account at your local bank or your local credit union, right? Often they have great rates for kids. And this is, again, an important step in teaching them to build that savings muscle, right? You want to show them that by saving their money in a bank with a financial institution, that the bank actually pays them just to save their money. How do they pay them? They pay them through interest, right? And so every month when those bank statements arrive, or when they arrive, whether they arrive in your inbox or they arrive physically in the mailbox, you want to take that opportunity to open up that bank statement, review it with your child, have them review it with you after you've done it a couple of times to make sure they understand and see how their money is growing. Stay tuned for part 2 as I stress the importance of using National Teach Your Child to Save Day as a learning opportunity to encourage our kids to save and start building real wealth.